Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to look at 3 important cleaning products for your espresso machine. It doesn't matter what espresso machine do you have, but you must have these 3 cleaning products minimum in order to ensure that you have a long life for your espresso machine. So this is something you need to do it in a routine basis. Some of the espresso machine will remind you when to do the descale, when to do the cleaning cycle, etc. But it should be part of your routine maintenance. If you're making coffee more often, that means you have to descale and clean more often. So keep that principle in mind, because there were many questions that has been asked, like can I do descale before the machine indicates that it's time to descale? The answer is yes, you can. So I got few products that I ordered. The company is called 8 ounce. They have a website, and I ordered these cleaning products from there. It's a bit cheaper if you buy from there, and if your order is above 75 Canadian dollar, it's free shipping. It's cheaper than Amazon, that's what I found. So do check it out. They sell coffee products, accessories, cleaning products, anything related to coffee. So do check that out. So let's open and see, and I'll explain what exactly these 3 main products are. So let's have a look at what is inside. That's the company name, 8 ounce. The UPS guys just dropped it, and that's my invoice. Okay, look at this. I ordered 3 products, and yeah, one of them were 2. And look at this little guy. What is this? I think this looks like some complimentary for my order. Okay, it's a lip balm. Okay, so seems like it is some coffee flavored lip balm, and it has other ingredients. Okay, I didn't order this definitely, so this is like a free item. Now I'm not able to open this. Okay, I'll figure that out later. Anyway, thanks 8 ounce for the complimentary gift. Now let's see. So these are the products that I ordered. Let's have a closer look at each item. So this is identical. I ordered 2 of these because you will need a lot of descaling powders, and I wanted to get 75 Canadian dollar in total so that I get free shipping, and that's the free stuff that came with it. So these are the 3 important products that you need in any espresso machine. So let's have a closer look at each product and see what it is for. So let's look at the first product. This is Cafiza. I'm sure you have heard that name. Now this is the espresso cleaning powder. This Cafiza is mainly used to clean the portafilter and the baskets. All the baskets. If your baskets are dirty, if your portafilter is dirty, sometimes you cannot clean the spout here. Let me zoom in and show you. Inside the spout there could be some coffee residue, and you are unable to remove. So all you have to do is just dip the portafilter and the baskets, everything inside the Cafiza water. So you take some powder, dilute it in a bowl, and then dip all your portafilter and baskets in it. The other use of Cafiza is to do back flush. Now, if you haven't seen my video on how to do back flush on Breville Barista Express, I'll leave the link in the description below. You could use Cafiza for daily back flush or weekly back flush. It depends on you, the frequency. So what you do is you take your portafilter and use your basket, single or double, doesn't matter, and use your cleaning disc that came with the machine, and then use some Cafiza powder into this, and then you do the back flush. Now that will take out all the coffee oil and residue on your machine, mainly on your group head and the plumbing, all through the back flush process into the outlet. Another use of Cafiza is you could take a ball, a glass ball, and dip these portafilter, the dirty ones, into the Cafiza solution, and that will also take out all the coffee oils and any residue, or if your filter holes are blocked, it can open those holes. So that's another use of Cafiza. Now another question many would ask is, can I use Cafiza into my water tank so that I can use this as a descale solution? My answer would be no, do not use Cafiza. It contains some sodium and some phosphate, which is not good for your machine or your health, which is not really recommended for to use it in your boiler. Now there are people who use Cafiza to clean their boiler, but there is always a debate. I'm not sure about it. I'm going to research about it, and I'll let you know in my next video, because I'll be doing more details on how to use Cafiza. I'll be showing you more videos on this. So in that I will clarify whether is it safe to use it in your Breville Barista Express water tank. But for now my advice is, do not use it for descaling purpose. This is only for back flush and to clean your portafilter and the baskets, because it will take out all the coffee oils and any coffee residuals from your machine or your accessories. So now let's look at the next product, which is the tabs, again from the same company, Urnex Z61 tablets. Now you might have come across the Breville cleaning tablets. This is an alternative to that. This is much cheaper compared to the Breville tablets, and both works the same way. Now here, if you look closely, it's written coffee equipment cleaning tablets. Now all you do is you take a tablet, same principle like you do the back flush, put the cleaning disc and put the tablet on top, and then do the cleaning cycle on your Breville Barista Express machine, or if it is other machines, just follow the instruction as per the manufacturer. So that's what tabs is for. Again, tabs is for cleaning the group head and the whole back flush component. So that will ensure, as you know, the group head can have a lot of coffee oil stuck in there after making many rounds of coffee. So this will ensure everything is clean and the whole back flush cycle is clean. Now again, the other question people may ask is tabs good to use in your water tank and use it as a descale product? And if you look closely here, this is phosphate free compared to the Cafiza. Cafiza has phosphate, which is not recommended to throw it in your tank, water tank, and do a descale process. But tabs is phosphate free, and it can be used, it shows that it can be used in coffee machine to take out same coffee oil and other residue, any calcium deposit, everything will come off. Now if you ask me, can I use this for replacement for a descaler on your Breville Barista Express, my answer would be no, do not use this. This is good for cleaning cycle. You can take a tablet, put it in the portafilter and do the cleaning cycle. This is perfect, just a replacement for your Breville cleaning tablets. And like I mentioned, I'm going to do another video, a review on each and every product that I just showed you today, and we will see in detail what this can be used for. And this tabs can be used on your drip coffee machine up to 5.7 liter. Okay, now let's look at the next product, which is the very important one, which is Dezcal. Now this is the descaler powder which is required whenever you see the descale light on. That means it's time to descale your machine. On Breville Barista Express, the white light will be solid on. That means it's time to descale, and you can use this powder. This is an exact replacement for your Breville descale powder. Instead, you can use this Dezcal descaler powder, and this has a very good review and it works beautifully. Now to descale your espresso machine, take a spoonful of powder, Dezcal powder, and mix it in the water tank, in your water tank behind the machine for Breville Barista Express, and then you can run the descale cycle. Now the powder will melt into the liquid, and then it goes through the water boiler and all the plumbing inside the machine, and it comes out through the group head, and it comes out of the water dispenser and the steam wand. So this will ensure the whole machine is clean except the back flush component, which you need to use a tablet, the clean cycle. Now all the products that I showed you today, it can be used in other machines other than Breville Barista Express. It can be used in Cafe Roma and other manufacturers' espresso machine, but always refer to the manufacturer guide whether you could use a powder like this, and always check the ingredients, because some manufacturer won't recommend this, so you need to check that before using these products. But I know many people use this and they are very satisfied with these products. So very important 3 cleaning items for your espresso machine. This is a must. If you don't have it, buy these 3 cleaning products. This will ensure that your espresso machine will have a longer life. And it is very important to do the descale, the cleaning cycle, and the other cleaning methods regularly. This is something many ignore, and I would like to remind you again, please descale and clean your machine regularly. Now, like I said, you don't have to wait for the light to come on. I would say descale, do every month. If you are drinking 1 cup a day, do it every month. It is good for the machine, and it won't give strain to many of the component inside, because the calcium can build up in those plumbing material in the hose pipe, and it can get swollen and damage other components, and it will give strain to the pump. So make sure you descale it regularly. And also we have the tabs, which is for the cleaning cycle, that is for the back flush, because you're using group head every day, right? The coffee, the hot water and the coffee always comes out of your portafilter and the basket. You have to ensure that the group head is always clean and without the coffee residue. So this is important, and when the clean cycle is on, use this. And the third item, which is the Cafiza, which is again important, because the espresso flows through the portafilter and your basket, and that can collect coffee oils, and it can block the holes in the basket. So this will ensure that it is calcium free, and it is without any coffee oils and any coffee residue. So make sure that you use these product or similar product. I'm not trying to promote this, I'm just showing you what I use. These are the products that I feel it really works well, so that's my intention. Anyway, if you like today's video, please give a thumbs up. I'll be posting more videos in detail of each of these components, how to clean your espresso machine using these products. So if you subscribe to my video, you will be notified, and you will be able to see whenever I post a video. So thanks for all the subscribers, and see you guys on the next video, and bye for now.